Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paige Taylor. I'm here on my piece of the internet. We talk about fragrance, and more fragrance, because that's our business. So today we are going to be doing a blind unboxing and first impressions of a variety of fragrances by ARMAF. I believe I'm saying that right. So ARMAF is a brand that's been around for more than 50 years. They were first created in the UAE and have since expanded across the world. I'm not hip. I'm very, very late to the party. So we're going to see. I haven't looked at anyone else's videos. I haven't seen what anyone else is saying about these fragrances. So this is going to be my true unbiased first impressions. So this is the box. It is the fragrance discovery set. So it comes with 8 small fragrances and then I think 1 full size. So let's unbox it. Let's see what we got. So we finally got the plastic off. Let's see if there's more plastic inside. I have no idea. How do you open this thing? Okay. Oh, those are cute. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Which one do I want to pick first? I have no idea. This is okay. Okay, so the first one is Miss ARMAF Attitude. I won't look at the notes. Let me just smell it and then we'll look at the notes and then see if that makes sense. Okay, attitude. And attitude. Oh, but it smells. Ooh, but it smells good. Oh, wait a minute. It's like really like peachy kind of. It's like, ooh, wait a minute. It's sweet, it's peachy. It's like a little bit of floral notes to it. Okay, how am I gonna get this on the paper? Because if I get all of this oil on me, I'm not gonna be able to smell the difference between one of them. I should have had a game plan. Yeah, it smells so good. I really like that. It's like really bright. It makes you just want to do a little shimmy. Okay, we like that. We're putting this in the really like that pile. And we're going to come back after we've dabbed all of these and then revisit, see what happens after a little bit of time. So attitude, very good. We love that. Good first impression. Oh, the notes on that. Let's see what it says. Let's see. Top notes: bergamot, almond, rose, jasmine. Middle notes: tuberose, coffee, orange blossom. I have no idea how to say this. I'm not even gonna try. Anyway, base notes: tonka bean, sandalwood, vanilla, amber, cedar. Really? Because if I just read the notes, I would think, oh, I don't know, that's a crazy mix. Okay. Let's just let it sit. I'm excited. This one, we got Catwalk. Catwalk. Let's see what Catwalk is giving. Straight from the bottle, I'm not an immediate fan. It doesn't smell like much of anything. I would say fresh. I would say it's definitely giving fresh, more like a skin scent. If I had to categorize it, it's really fresh. It's really fresh smelling. It's very, very light. Let's see what we got. So top notes on Catwalk are going to be mandarin orange, and citrus. Middle notes are peach, jasmine, and lily. And the base notes are vanilla, musk, and ambroxan. They're really getting me with these notes that I don't know. Sometimes you need something just light. You know, it doesn't all have to be a banger. So next we got CHIC. I love the colors of that bottle. Very cute. That pink purple. Love it. Okay. A deep, like sexy sweet kind of a scent. Okay, yeah, this is definitely more musky, more complex. It's really good on. I think it's a little brighter when it's like less concentrated, you know, not just straight from the bottle. This is really good though. I like it. Definitely like a really nice like date night. Like I'm gonna go out. I like this. Okay, so the notes on this one. Top notes: strawberry, raspberry, pear, orange, tangerine, bergamot. Yeah, this is good. That's why I like that. I like that fruity top. Okay, and in the middle, jasmine, orange blossom, peony. How you say it? Let me know. I don't know. Okay, and then the base notes: patchouli, musk, vanilla, cedar, moss, and ambroxan. Patchouli and musk. That's why I was like, this feels like, it's like something though about it. It's not like a regular bright, fruity, playful thing. Like I thought I liked Attitude the most, but this one, it has that complexity to it. Like it's bright because of all those citrus notes, all of the fruit that's on top, the strawberry, the raspberry, the pear, the orange. But then on the bottom with the patchouli and the musk and vanilla. Chic. Okay. I love that. I love that. I'm very happy. Dazzle. Razzle dazzle. This is definitely darker, deeper. That's interesting. I don't know if there's like black dye or pigments in there, but when I put it from the bottle into the tester strip, it turned part of it black. It's definitely muskier than I think is my personal taste. But then you know what it also kind of reminds me of? Remember when Lady Gaga had that fragrance, that black, whatever the heck? And I used to wear the heck out of that Lady Gaga, whatever it was. I cannot remember for the life of me. This actually low-key reminds me of that. I'm not saying it's the same. I'm not saying it's a dupe. I'm just saying that's my first thought when I try to find something equivalent. I don't know what the name of that thing is. So the notes on Dazzling are going to be top notes: bergamot, rose, citruses, pear, pineapple. Middle notes: jasmine, gardenia, pink pepper. I think it's probably that pepper is probably throwing me off. Base notes: vetiver, amber, vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli. It's not bad. It's definitely just darker. It's a darker, deeper thing. Definitely a nighttime. In my opinion, it's not a daytime scent, but that's up to you. Next we have Grandeur, however you would like to pronounce that. First thought, not liking it. I don't know what first thought is an O for me, dog. But let's put it on the paper. Now that it's out the bottle and it can breathe and it's not so concentrated, I do feel not as strongly against it. However, okay, it's growing on me. Let's see what the notes are. Top notes: bergamot, rose, floral notes. Which is odd because I really, really like bergamot. I really, really like rose. I really, really like floral notes. So what's the rest? Middle notes: peach, fruity notes. I like peach and fruity. Base notes: amber, musk, patchouli. What is about this that I don't like? I don't know what about this is throwing me off. I really can't describe it. I do smell the peach. I do smell the rose. It's just something is there that's just, it's like, it's not bright. It's not sweet. It's just, maybe it's the patchouli. We'll have to, let's let this one sit. We'll come back. Next one, we got Magnifique. Boop. Magnifique. Say Magnifique. Oh, okay, this one smells good. This one smells like a little, like dark, but like a little bit of raspberry or, let's see, let's put it on paper. I like this one. This one's really good too. Oh, okay, okay, we got a lot of hits in this box. This is really, I like these because these are like dark sweets, like mature sweets, not like super, like the first one, Attitude. I remember that one being like a bright, funner, fruity thing. And that was great. But this is more of like a more mature fruity, like a sexy fruity. Like, what's in this? Okay, let's see. Top notes: orange, mandarin, and bergamot. Middle notes: rose, jasmine, mimosa. Love that. Base notes: patchouli, musk, vetiver, vanilla, and tonka. They did everything right. There's nothing wrong. I have no notes. I have no notes. This is so good. Yeah, because at the top you can literally smell the fruit at the top. You can smell the orange and the mandarin and the rose even. But then it's that bottom. It's that afterwards of the vetiver and the vanilla. You know how I feel about vanilla. So good. And the musk. It's just like a perfectly balanced. It's just that right amount of everything. I hope that after going back to this, after it sits, I hope I still feel so excited about it because that's really, really good. I love that. Okay. Next up, we got Mystique. Initially, it smells a little bit too peppery for my personal tastes, but let's put it on the paper. Also, at this point, if you're not taking a shot for every time I say put it on the paper, you're not doing this right. Oh, on the paper, I like this a lot more. It's a lot brighter on the paper. It's a lot more alive. Did I show you the bottle? I don't remember. Just in case. That's that. That's Mystique. Okay. Very good. Oh, this one's actually, I don't know what, I think it was just, it's smelling it all at once. It's overpowering to the senses, but this is good. Okay, so what do we got here? I smell something fruit. I already know, like, it's just, whatever they're doing with these fragrances, they are doing it right. Shout out to them. And boo to me that I've been just not hip this whole time. Yeah, shout out to them. Okay, top notes for Mystique. Bergamot, orange, pear, tangerine. Middle notes, strawberry, vanilla, rose, passion fruit, jasmine, mimosa. Base notes, patchouli, coffee, vetiver, tonka bean, vanilla. That's such a random, complex, wow. I swear, if this doesn't have good staying power, I'm gonna be angry. Like, this is good enough, honestly. This is so good. This, I wouldn't be mad if this was one of the ones where I had to just like make like a small bottle or whatever to keep in my purse to touch up if it doesn't have small staying power. I don't know yet. Because this is so good. It's just so good. All of them. I'm just so happy. Okay, we got one more, last one. Okay, so the last one is gonna be VOCE VIVA. VOCE? VOCE VIVA. I speak Spanish, I speak Chinese, I do not speak Italian, so I don't know. Don't blame me. It's whatever this is. Call it Vivi. Okay, this is like fresh, but there's something there. Like, I remember, which one was it? One of the ones at the very beginning, I thought it was a little too fresh. Like, I didn't really smell much of anything, but this, it's something fresh. It's just really fresh. It kind of smells like fresh laundry. Like flowing on the, you know, in the meadow. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. We got top notes, orange blossom, jasmine, peach. Middle notes, tuberose, rose, floral notes, passion fruit, and iris. And then on the base, you got musk, sandalwood, praline, and amber. I can't pinpoint what it is that just makes it perfect, but it's literally because it's like bright laundry. Like literally, like when you imagine those picturesque like images of someone putting, like hanging some fresh white sheets on a clothesline in the middle of a meadow, and the dogs in the background and the kids are running and playing and everything's great, and this is what it smells like. That's really good. I'm very happy. Okay, so first, going back to attitude, the first one. I remember when we first smelled it, I felt that it was really bright, really sweet, really vibrant. And I think that as it is dried, it's a little bit more muted and powdery, but still fruity and sweet. It's still fruity and sweet, but it's definitely like calmed down a little bit, which is fine. No biggie. Okay, next, Catwalk. I don't know what I thought before. I don't remember. But not a fan. I don't think I was a fan the first time. Hey, CHIC. Still good. No, it's still good. Okay, next, DAZZLING. It's still razzle dazzling me. I still think it smells like that Lady Gaga thing. It still smells good. This is good. And it still smells the same. It smells the same. It evokes the same feelings that I had when I first smelled it. This is good. Dazzling. A keeper. It's consistent. Then you got Grandeur. Good. I like that. I think I was skeptical at first, if I remember correctly, because it's fresh. It's very fresh. I thought it wasn't very defined. Like, I thought it was just like, oh, I don't know, nothing's there. Something's there. This is definitely more of a skin scent, I think, in my opinion. But it's good. Okay, got Magnifique. Did I like that? I think I like it. I like it now. I like that. Mystique. I love that. That's gotten better. That's gotten better. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. It's like, oh, my neck. Like, did something there. Anyway, Mystique, whatever. I don't know. Last one. VV. VOCE VIVA. I can't. It smells so good. It really is like bright laundry. Yeah, it's just so good. I love that. Those are consistent. Yeah. I think that these are all very good. They are all pretty unique. I can't immediately think of just something that's been released recently and been like super popular that I'm just like, oh yeah, this smells just like, you know. We want to be unique. I think that these are very unique. They're very good. Yeah, give them a try. Give them a try. Sayonara. Till next time.